it in there and fix together. It doesn't come easy. Just get a longer bar and force her. Yeah, shackle goes right there just like the bottom.